Nowadays, everyone wants to achieve minimalism, whether it's your desk setup, surroundings, or even making your tech looking clean. Minimalism just makes everything look calmer, cooler, and just a little bit more awesome than it originally did. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make your Windows 11 clean and minimal, and hopefully it makes you more productive. So first up, you're going to want to remove all the app icons from your desktop. Then, add a wallpaper that matches your theme. Even though it's the most basic step, it's the first thing that you'll see when you turn on your computer, and overall just brings your workspace together. A good wallpaper app to use is unsplash.com. Literally all you have to do is go to the website and type whatever your theme is into the search bar. Mine is a dark and moody theme, so I'll pick a photo that I think brings the setup together. Then download the photo and set it as a wallpaper. Next up, you want to head over to your browser and type in Rainmeter. This is an app that adds interactive visuals to your computer home screen. Think of it like customizable widgets but for your laptop. Download the app and just personalize it to make it yours. If you're like me and you literally have no creativity or imagination, then I'd recommend researching for any templates online or just stealing from other YouTubers. That's a joke, by the way, guys, don't do that. Rainmeter has tons of themes or skins to fit different themes such as Simplistic, Sonder, Elementary 1.5, or Pack. You can also download individual skins if you don't work with a specific theme or just want to build everything from scratch. After you've downloaded the app and the widgets, unload them and set them up how you like. There are tons of tutorials on YouTube that you can look for to help with that. So with that being said, I hope that you enjoy your clean and hopefully productive Windows 11 desktop. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.